Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Trello card. And yeah, so this is our board right here that we created earlier. And to do or to create a card, it's very simple. So I have here these to-do list, doing, and then done. And then if we are going to create, say for example, from our to-do list, go ahead and click here, add a card, and then you can just type the title. So say for example, I'm going to go ahead and put here PTO tracker. Say, for example, this is a task that you are going to do. So once you've done that one, you can just go ahead and click anywhere and it's just going to create a card for you. Now you can click the card here and then you should be able to see here different options of things that you can do. So let's go ahead and click show details. Once you do that, you should be able to see here the history, the activity, and then, yeah, from here, you can basically do a lot of things. For example, if we click add here, you should be able to add labels, dates, checklist, members. If, say, for example, this is a workspace with another people from this company, and then attachment, location, custom fields. And yeah, apart from that one, you have the description also. If you want to add more detailed description on this task, you can go ahead and click this one right here. And when you do that, there are options here that you can use. For example, you can use different text styles and then assign them be like heading 1 to 6, and then you have bold, italicize, and then more formatting here. Yeah, there are several options here. I want you to go ahead and try to experiment and try to see which one would be most useful for you. And again, that is how you're going to create a card here in Trello.